Today, I'll be showing you how to make kimchi that you can make today, eat today. Now watch me do it. How to cut and prepare. 4 pounds of Napa cabbage. Start cutting the bottom of the cabbage. Cut in half, then pull them apart. Now cut the halves lengthwise and crosswise into 3 pieces. Sprinkle 3 tablespoons of salt over the cabbage. With a clean hand, begin massaging the salt into the cabbage from bottom to top, bottom to top. Keep tossing the cabbage until it becomes soft and wilted from the moisture it releases. Let it sit for 1 hour until the cabbage becomes softer. Be sure to toss occasionally. An hour later, notice the cabbage is full earlier and now it shrinks to halfway down. Rinse in cold water 2 times to reduce the saltiness before draining with a colander. Notice the stem is very flexible when I bend it. Set aside. Let it drain more than an hour. 6 carrots. Peel off the skin, then cut off the ends. After washing, shred or cut the carrots into julienne. Five green onions. Wash, trim off the roots, then cut lengthwise. Prepare the ingredients for kimchi paste.
រៀបចំគ្រឿងគីមជី
1 ginger.
ខ្ញី1ដុំ
Peel off the skin, slice and cut into small pieces.
ចិតសបកចេញហាន់ស្ដើងកាត់ទូច
1 garlic head.
ខ្ទឹមស1ដុំ
Peel off the skin, cut into pieces.
បកសំបកចេញកាត់ទូច
1/2 of red onion.
ខ្ទឹមប្រាំងក្រហមយកពាក់កណ្ដាល
Peel off the skin, cut into small pieces.
បកសំបកចេញកាត់ទូច
1 Asian pear.
ផ្លែស៊ូទាំងឡាយ1ដុំ
Remove the skin and seeds. Wash and cut into chunks.
ចិតសំបកចេញយកគ្រាប់ចេញលាងទឹកឲ្យស្អាតកាត់កង់
5 tablespoons of fish sauce.
ទឹកត្រី5ស្លាបព្រាបាយ
6 tablespoons of vinegar.
ទឹកខ្មេះ6ស្លាបព្រាបាយ
4 tablespoons of sugar.
ស្ករស4ស្លាបព្រាបាយ
2 tablespoons of Korean hot pepper flakes. You can add more if you like it hot.
ម្ទេសក្រៀមកូរ៉េ2ស្លាបព្រាបាយបើបងប្អូនចូលចិត្តហឹរអាចថែមបាន
Combine and blend.
សំគ្រឿងហើយកិន
In a blender cup, add Asian pear.
ក្នុងកែវដាក់ស៊ូទាំងឡាយចូល
Add red onions.
ដាក់ខ្ទឹមក្រហមប្រាំង
Add ginger.
ដាក់ខ្ញី
Add garlic.
ដាក់ខ្ទឹមស
Add fish sauce.
ដាក់ទឹកត្រី
Add vinegar.
ដាក់ទឹកខ្មេះ
Blend the ingredients.
យកទៅកិនបងប្អូន
Add sugar and blend again.
ដាក់ស្ករសកិនបន្ថែមទៀត
Mix all the ingredients.
លាយគ្រឿងក្រៅទាំងអស់
In a large bowl, pour the puree.
ក្នុងកន្ធុនធំចាក់គ្រឿងកិនចូល
Add hot pepper flakes, then stir.
ដាក់គ្រឿងម្ទេសកូរ៉េចូលកូរវា
Add carrots.
ដាក់ការ៉ុតចូល
Press down the cabbage. Grab a handful, then squeeze out the water.
កត់ស្ពៃឲ្យចេញទឹកហើយពូតឲ្យអស់ទឹក
The cabbage will become more crispy once the water is squeezed out.
បន្ទាប់ច្របាច់ទឹកហើយស្ពៃស្រួយជាងមុន
Add the cabbage, then stir to combine.
ដាក់ស្ពៃចូលកូរវាឲ្យចូលជាតិ
Add green onions.
ដាក់ស្លឹកខ្ទឹមចូល
Stir until the cabbage get coated evenly with the mixture.
កូរស្ពៃម្ដងទៀតឲ្យស្ពៃចូលគ្រឿងទាំងអស់
Use a clean glass jar that has been washed, sterilized with hot boiling water, and wiped dry.
យកកែវលាងឲ្យស្អាតស្រោះទឹកក្តៅជូតឲ្យស្ងួត
Pack the kimchi as tight as possible. Close the lid to prevent air from entering the jar.
ដាក់គីមជីក្នុងកែវឲ្យពេញបិទគ្របឲ្យជិតកុំឲ្យខ្យល់ចូល
Keep in the fridge.
រួចហើយដាក់ចូលទូត្រជាក់
Kimchi is now ready to serve. When you are hungry, you can make and eat today. Thank you so much for dropping by. See you in the next episode.
គីមជីរួចរាល់អស់ហើយបងប្អូនបើបងប្អូនឃ្លានអាចធ្វើញ៉ាំថ្ងៃនឹងបានអរគុណជាច្រើនដែលមកទស្សនាជួបគ្នានៅភាគបន្តទៀត